Down to Buchnevich. He comes out in front. Pass through for Zibanejad. Hamilton may have gotten a piece of it. 3-on-2 Carolina the other way. Hamilton cuts in. Hamilton puts it in front. A penalty called. As Hamilton got knocked down, the Rangers will be shorthanded with 3:06 to go. Kreider is going to the penalty box. 3:06 left. Rangers 5, Carolina 3. Strome with a big goal.